Hey there, it's Oztech here. Okay, home theater enthusiasts, ready to take your projector setup to the next level? Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate projector wall screen paint mix, perfect for a 120 display, and the price is way under $120. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need some basic painting materials. Now get Behr 1050 silver screen flat matte paint 1 gallon, Behr 1300 black paint, a small can is enough, Behr 5400 dark pewter semi-gloss paint, and silver metallic paint, and a high-quality paint mixer. You'll also need a measuring cup and a mixing bucket. Got everything? Great, let's get started. Almost forgot, prepare your area. Make sure the wall has no nicks, plaster and sand, then measure and outline your screen size. Tape the outline of your screen. Now start with 1 quart of Behr 1050 silver screen flat matte paint. This will be our base. Next, add 2 ounces of pure black Behr 1300 paint. Stir it well until it's perfectly blended. This will give us a nice neutral grey that enhances contrast. Now, the secret ingredient, pour in the Behr 5400 dark pewter with about 1 ounce of silver metallic paint. Just mix it well. Now let's start painting. Remember to have a good roller to spread your paint. Roll the first coat onto the section of your wall and let it dry. Once it's dry, fire up your projector and see how it looks. Adjust the mix if needed. More black for deeper blacks, more silver for brightness. Happy with the test? Excellent! Now, paint the area 2 more times and wait 20 minutes between each coat and your 120-inch screen is ready. Let's finish it off. Now let's frame it with 2-inch borders. I painted the borders black before using nail glue to set them in place. The best DIY projector, wall screen, paint mix and framing. Affordable, easy and perfect for any home theater setup. Enjoy your enhanced movie experience, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. See you next time. If you liked this video, click like and subscribe to help me grow this channel and bring you more helpful videos.